today I'm back with another Brimbles Box unboxing, and this month is going to be a little different to the previous months that I have unboxed for you, and that is because this month I asked Anna to swap me over to the Happy Mail box. Before I was getting the stationery box. She also has 2 planner boxes available, but this is a new box for August and it's obviously based around Happy Mail and snail mail and pen paling and all that stuff. I have already cut the tape to try and make it a little easier to get into, so I am going to show you what is inside this month's box. So when you open it up, this is what is inside. There's a little sticker with Happy Mail on. So the first thing I can see in this box is some pens, and these are gel pens. And you get 5 in a pack. They are by American Crafts, which is really cool because obviously they're difficult to find over here in the UK. Ooh, I like the packaging. They've got like circles on them which make them look like bubbles or something. They're kind of scratchy, I don't know. I expected them to be really soft for some reason, and they're kind of scratchy. I don't know, I kind of like that. I'll probably end up using them more than I thought I would. Next there is these, which are tags, and you get 12 in a pack. One of the things to do with tags, to do with snail mail, is a mail tag on them. So for example, you would write your mail tag questions for your pen pal on the front, and then on the back you'd answer the questions that they sent you. So I think that's a really fun way to use these tags, and I'll probably end up doing that. I'd most likely add some string or ribbon or something on there just to make it look cute. So next in here there is some Dear Lizzie cards. I'm gonna have to get these out and have a look at them. Okay, so there is this design with like a typewriter, and you get 2 of each card, and the envelope you get is that one. And then there is this one which says Happy Day, and that's the envelope that comes with it. And then there is some gold dots, and then the envelope you get with it is this pink one. And then there is this one which says hello in a heart, and then the envelopes have little flowers on it. And then the last one is this one, and it says you're a whole lot of lovely. And then the envelope with that one is this one, which I really like this one. It's really different to the other ones. So in that pack you get a whole bundle of cards. I really like that pack. So next there is some pen pal stickers, and they are like chipboard. So you get all of these ones, you then get these ones, and you also get these ones. So if there's a day where I've been replying to my pen pals a lot, and I journal about it, I might want to decorate the page with some of these. But also I think some of them would be really cute to use in my letters to my pen pals. For example, these ones which say first class, and the other like mail phrases I might want to use on the front of an envelope or something. I'm pretty sure I'll find plenty of uses for these. And you get 50 pieces in a pack. You then get these, which are by We Are Memory Keepers, and they are envelope wraps. So if you're sending a letter or something, usually obviously you put a return address on the back. So this is a really cute way of doing it. So they kind of fold around the envelope. So for example, this one has to and from on it. So you would write the person it's to on here. You would then stick it on the envelope, fold it round, kind of like that. And then on the back of the envelope, this bit will be showing, and you'd put your return address on there. So you get 2 of this style, you get 2 of this style, and then you get 2 of this kind. And then lastly in this box there is a letter set, which is in the same theme as, I remember getting a pencil case. I don't know if you guys remember it. I can't remember which box I got the pencil case in, but I know it was the exact same brand or style. Look how cute they are. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're like smaller than the average envelope, but I think that is adorable. And the backs! I love that. So in the pack you get 6 sheets of letter writing paper and 6 envelopes. So this was everything that I got in the August Happy Mail box. The Happy Mail box is the same price as the other Brimbles boxes, which is £15 if you subscribe, or you can pay £18 to buy a one-off box, and then postage charges are added onto those prices as well. But you can find out all the postage information on Anna's website, so I'll leave everything linked below if you do want to go and get yourself a box. I would definitely recommend this box if you are starting out pen paling or want to start pen paling, or even if you're into pen paling and you just want a kind of surprise range of pen paling supplies. I feel like there should have been a washi tape somewhere in there, just because personally I use a lot of washi tape when I'm sending Happy Mail, but I know that Anna obviously budgets these boxes, so you do get what your money's worth. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really nice to receive something a little different to kind of mix it up a bit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will speak to you very soon.